So here we have the panel sitting down. It's got the initial curvature going into it, just to make it a little easier, just to show you something in regard to a rubberized wheel. The shape comes through, it's basically a number 12 coming in. So I'm just going to use a slightly higher crown wheel than a 12. Radius gauge takes all the guesswork out, but when you get proficient, you do it by eyeball a lot of the time. And then you just come in with very light pressure with a rubberized wheel on the top wheel, which initially allows it to shape the panel this direction without shaping it this direction. And I'm just going to adjust the pressure as needed. As you can see, the shape is gently going in without ribbing the panel, not too much pressure, just enough to get it to conform, rolling backwards and forwards. And you can see the curvature changing shape on the panel. Give me that correct beginning shape. Same on the other side. It gently goes in and helps conform the panel to the original shape. Gets you in a better place with the shaping and the direction the panel is going in. Just a little twist, a little adjustment. As you can see, the panel's nice and smooth. It's not got any ribs through it. Yeah, we still have this very slight fluting going on, but that's what we need because this panels are going to start coming up and through. So you can see how we're starting to conform a little nicer to the panel that we need. And now all I've got to do is the reverse curve coming up and through here, which I'm going to use the full size wheel for. And that will give me the right direction. Notice I have a little bit of overhang on the panel. I'll get into this reverse curve first, doing a little bit on both sides, and then I'll start trimming my panel in more accurate. But it gives me something to hold on to, and it means that I don't have stops and starts through the panel. And there we go, you can see that it's starting to come in, and you can see that I'm needing a little bit more drop shape. But like I said, we're trying to get this conformed, so we're making one panel to the other, and you can see how essentially they're starting to marry up. And so then all I'll do is just a very, very hairline shrink on across here, just gentle, just so that when I trim in and marry up, we've got a slightly shrunk panel here, a slightly shrunk panel here, and the tension in the panel will be married up exactly the same. Ready for welding. So there we have it.